The Paris Olympics has taken a controversial turn with a lot of criticism and furious reactions on social media from prominent global personalities over a few performances that were lined up at the opening ceremony of the 26th of July. Now, the performance that has generated maximum conversation is the one involving drag queens. The act apparently reimagined Italian Renaissance artist Leonardo da Vinci's mural painting, The Last Supper. The Last Supper is an iconic painting of Jesus Christ dining with his apostles in Jerusalem. In Christian theology, the Last Supper holds deep symbolic meaning as it is remembered as a profound moment that foreshadowed Jesus Christ's crucifixion. Now let's tell you what the controversy is all about and why is it that it has become controversial in the Paris Olympics. Now, who is a drag queen? A drag queen is a person, often a homosexual man, who dresses in highly decorated women's clothing and performs as a woman to entertain the audiences. So this particular parody of the Last Supper even grabbed the attention of Tesla and ex-owner Elon Musk, who felt the performance was extremely disrespectful to Christians across the world. Right-wing voices in the United States, Republican lawmakers and famous TV hosts also called it a mockery of the Christian faith. Donald Trump Jr. reposted a photo of the depiction and said they're not even pretending anymore. Let's go across to my colleague Karishma, who's joining us on the broadcast. She's joining us from Paris. Karishma, Paris Olympics, it's a moment that the entire world is looking forward to. The opening ceremony every single time is one that's watched by across the world. But the opening of the Paris Olympics has garnered a lot of controversy. People across the globe saying it was an insult to Christians across the globe.
Well, yes, absolutely. It has, in fact, left people divided. In fact, it has had a lot of social media backlash as well, especially because of that creation of the Last Supper picture that was the opening of the Paris Olympics. So somewhere that hasn't gone down well. What we're given to understand is that the official video has been removed from YouTube as well. Like I said, it has divided people and everyone has been saying, having their own opinions about the opening ceremony. Remember, there were a lot of firsts for this opening ceremony. First time it was outside the stadium. First time there was a boat parade wherein all athletes were on a boat representing their countries. There were, many performances. Lady Gaga was performing here. There was Serena Williams who was present. There was Rafael Nadal who was present. So they in fact tried to make it a global spectacle, but it has not gone down well, especially with the drag performance.
Absolutely. This is an occasion to show the glory of Paris, and that's what was expected. Many saying that this was a controversy that could have been avoided. Has there been any clarification that has come in, Karishma, regarding the same? Because these are voices from across the world, including Elon Musk in the United States, many in the Paris as well, criticizing this move, saying the cultural heritage of France could have been shown in the opening ceremony, but it was not done so. So has there been any clarification, any official word that has come in?
Well, no, there has been no official communication from the International Olympic Committee. Like I said, it has been removed from YouTube. It has been removed from the social media handles after a backlash. In fact, there were some people on social media who were saying that their accounts, particularly on the platform X, are being targeted by the IOC because they were posting content with that drag performance, which was not being liked. So, of course, there is a lot of controversy around this performance. France wanted to present an artistic vision of what they wanted to say through this Olympic opening ceremony, but many have not liked it. Many have said that the act was blasphemous and hypersexualized. So we'll have to wait and see if there is going to be any sort of official reaction to this. But at this moment, nothing from the International Olympic Committee.